A classic reimagined for the modern magician. For decades, the doctor's bag was the gold standard for transporting magicians' props from show to show. It was trusted, iconic, and endlessly practical. Now, it's back, reinvented for today's performer. Crafted for the discerning magician, this performance case blends luxury aesthetics and uncompromising functionality. The exterior features a sleek finish that immediately signals refinement. The case opens into a fully expanded performance workstation, revealing multiple hinge panels that fan out smoothly, creating an organized, commanding display of your props. Each compartment is thoughtfully laid out to keep essentials visible, accessible, and perfectly staged. No digging, no clutter, no wasted motion. Perfect for mentalists, close-up performers, parlor and small stage magicians, professional gigging magicians. From cards, cups and balls, and rope to books, gimmicks, and specialty props, everything has a place. Whether you're performing on stage, working a private event, or heading to a small gig, this is the one bag that does it all.